Good day, everyone. Have you ever noticed how the weather has been changing lately? Summers are getting hotter and there are more typhoons than before. This is not just bad luck, it's climate change and it's happening right now. My name is Jory Junior Elom and I'm here today to talk about something that affects every one of us, climate change. Whether we believe it or not, the earth climate is changing and if we don't take action, the consequence will be severe. The main cause of climate change is the buildup of gases like carbon dioxide in our atmosphere. These gases come from burning fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas, which we use for things like cars, factories, and electricity. Cutting down trees will also make the problem worse because trees help absorb carbon. Because of climate change, our planet is getting hotter. The world average temperature has already gone up about 1.1 Celsius, which might not sound like much, but it's not enough to cause big problems. We are seeing more extreme weather events, sea levels are rising, and millions of species are at risk of extinction. If we don't do something now, things will only get worse. More people will lose their homes to flooding and wildfire. Crops won't grow as well, and we will have less clean water to drink. The cost of repairing damage and helping displaced people will be enormous. But the good news is that we can make a difference. First, we can reduce the amount of carbon we produce by using clean energy like solar and wind power instead of burning the fossil fuels. We can also drive less, recycle more, and save energy at home. The government can help by passing law that protects the environment and encourage green energy. Now, it's time for us to take action. Start by making small changes in your daily life, like using less plastic, turning off lights when you don't need them, or using public transport instead of driving. Every little change adds up. You can also support groups that fight for environment and encourage your family, friends, and even your school to be more eco-friendly. Together, we can make a big difference and let's do our part to fight the climate change before it's too late. In conclusion, climate change is real, it's urgent, and it's up to us to take action. The future of our planet depends on the decision we make today. Thank you for your attention, and I hope you will join me in the fight against climate change.